Welcome. In front of me I have the REDMI Watch 5 Lite, and I'll go over a quick unboxing along with a look at the device itself. So let's just pop it open. In terms of the build quality, it's a bit plasticky. The strap itself is a little bit on a kind of cheaper feeling with the plastic buckle right here. And pretty decently sized display, I would say. A magnetic charger with 2 pins right here and a type A. And that's about it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.